In this video, I'll be showing you how to make your icons larger on your iPhone. It's the best method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So let's say, your app sizes are currently not big enough for you. You want to see them with more detail or anything like that. There's a few different things that we could go ahead and do. So the first one is the large icon method. All you want to do is tap in a empty area on your screen. On the top left, go ahead and press edit, and then you're going to see customize as the second option. Over here, you can change your theme and like how your apps look. But then on the right of customize, you're going to see like the two little square icons, one's small and one's bigger. Go ahead and press that. And then as you can see, the icons are now bigger than they usually are. So you can just leave everything like this if you ever want to, and they're just quite noticeably bigger. You just see the icons if you ever want to leave it at this. What you could also do is go over to your settings application, and by default, it's going to look something like this. Go ahead and scroll down until you find display and brightness. Then go over to display zoom, and whenever you find that, select larger text, or even like just text size. You can increase the text size, and you can even have bold text if you want to as well. And then everything will be much bigger for you.